BE and BCom Degree College, Sampaganagar, Dharwad. Last class we already discussed about the alteration of capital, meaning of internal reconstruction, types of reconstruction, and then forms of reconstruction. Our first one now we last class discuss alteration of a capital discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. General entries ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು. Now in this class we have to solve one problem regarding the alteration of a capital. Now we will start with the problem. X company has made the following alterations to its share capital. A. The company has to make the fresh issue of 1000 equity shares to of rupees 10 each, fully paid. Second one, the company has consolidated 5000 15% preference shares of rupees 10 each into 500 15% fully paid up preference shares of rupees 100 each, and then company has subdivided fully paid 5000 equity shares of rupees 100 each into 50,000 fully paid of equity shares of rupees 10 each. The company has converted 30,000 fully paid of equity shares of rupees 10 each into equity stock of rupees 3 lakh. The company has to reconvert the equity stock of rupees 3 lakh into 30,000 fully paid equity shares of rupees 10 each. The company has cancelled unissued 500 equity shares of rupees 10 each. Pass the necessary journal entries in the books of X Company Limited for the above alterations. Now we will pass the journal entries. First one is the company has made a fresh issue of 1000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, fully paid. Journal entries in the books of X Company Limited. In the books of X Company Limited. Now, the company has made a fresh issue of 1000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, fully paid. Their journal entries: bank account debited to equity share capital account. First entry: bank account debited to equity share capital account. Bank account debited to equity share capital account 1000 into 10, that is 10,000 rupees. 1000 into 10, 10,000 rupees. Being narration, being fresh issue of 1000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, fully paid, of rupees 10 each, fully paid. Fresh issue of equity shares. The journal entry: bank account debited to equity share capital account. Second entry: consolidation of 5000 15% preference share capital of rupees 10 each, fully paid 500 into 500 500, 15% preference shares of rupees 100 each fully paid up. Conversion, 1 preference shares to 15%, preference shares to 10% preference share again agikattada, convert agikattada. Now second journal entry, 10% preference share capital account old or 15% preference share capital old ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದು 15% ಅಂತ ಇರಬಹುದು. 2 10% preference share capital account into bracket 5000 into 10 is equal to 15,000. 15,000. Narration B. Consolidation on 5,000, 15% preference shares of rupees 10 each fully paid up into 500, 15%, 500, 15% preference shares of rupees 100 each. Now being consolidation of 5,000, 10% preference shares of rupees 10 each fully paid into 500, 15% preference shares of rupees 100 each. Now equation, journal entry 15% preference share capital account debited to 10% preference share capital account. And next entry, subdivision of 5,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each into 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. Equity share capital account debited to old equity share capital account debited to new equity share capital account. Next one, third one, old equity share capital account debited to new equity share capital account. Amount 50,000 into 10, 5 lakh, 5 lakh. Narration being subdivision of 5,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each into 50,000 fully paid equity shares of rupees 10 each. 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. Next entry, conversion of 30,000 fully paid up equity shares of rupees 10 each into stock. Equity share capital account, old equity share capital account debited to new capital stock account. New equity capital stock account. Fourth entry, equity share capital account debited, old equity share capital account debited to equity share capital stock account. Equity share capital stock account rupees 3 lakh. Rupees 3 lakh. Narration B. Conversation of $30,000 fully paid equity shares of rupees 10 each into 10 each into equity stock account. First entry fresh issue ಅನ್ನ fresh shares ಅನ್ನ issued ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ fresh issue of 1000 equity shares bank account debited to equity share capital account and then consolidation 10% preference shares to 15% preference shares ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ preferential capital account debited to 10% preferential capital, new preferential capital account, and then old equity shares to new equity shares ಗೆ conversion ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ old equity share capital account debited to new equity share capital account, and then conversion of a equity share into a equity stock. Equity share capital, old equity share capital account debited to equity share ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ನ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಈಗ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಸ್ಟಾಕಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ equity capital stock account debited 3 lakh to equity share capital account. Equity share capital account. Narration B. Reconversion of equity stock into equity shares. Nodi last entry cancellation of unissued 5000 shares of rupees 10 each. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟು ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಹೌದಾ. ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನ್ಇಶ್ಯೂಡ್ 500 equity shares of rupees 10 each does not affect the paid up capital of the company. It does not requires any journal entry regarding the cancellation of shares. Does not require the cancellation of shares journal entry. I hope you will understand the problems regarding alteration of a capital. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಜನರಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್, ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ reconstruction of a company, that is second point, reduction of capital. Now move on the second forms of a reconstruction, that is capital reduction. Second form capital reduction. It is an arrangement under which generally the capital of the members, sometimes even the claim of are reduced and the amount so reduced, and the amount is used for the return writing the accumulated losses, fictitious or value of portion of the fixed assets. Under section 100, subsection under 2 105, under section 102 105 of the Companies Act 1956 explain the provisions reduction of share capital of the company. Reduction of its share capital means, what do you mean by reduction of share capital? It is an arrangement under which generally the capital of the members and sometimes even the claim of the debenture holders, creditors are to be reduced. The amount is used to return of the accumulated losses. First point is writing of the paid up capital of the company to wipe out the accumulated losses, preliminary expenses, discount on issue of shares, debenture, goodwill, and also written down value of the other assets. Next one, reducing the uncalled capital of the company. Last one, returning excess paid up capital of the company. Writing off of the paid up capital of the company. First point, writing of the paid up capital of the company. Second point, reducing the uncalled capital of a company. Second point, reducing the uncalled paid up capital of a company. Third point, returning the excess paid up capital of the company. Returning the excess paid up capital of the company. First one is writing off the paid up capital of the company. Second one, reducing the uncalled paid up capital of the company, and then returning the excess paid up capital of the company. First one is writing off the paid up capital of the company. First one is writing off of the paid up capital of the company. In this case, some portion of the paid up share capital of a company is reduced by writing the same. The amount so written off is not returned to the shareholders as in the previous case, but it is retained for the purpose of reconstruction of the company. According to the total amount written off is temporarily credited to capital reduction account. Then, as decided by the company, it is utilized for return of the assets. It is utilized for the writing off of the assets such as goodwill, such as goodwill, and then debit balance of a profit and loss account, debit balance of a profit and loss account, and then preliminary expenses. Next, preliminary expenses or formation expenses, and then discount on issue of shares, discount on issue of shares, and discount on issue of debenture, discount on issue of debenture, etc., and also for the written down value of the other assets, if any. If there remains only the balances in the capital reduction account, it will be transferred to a capital reserve account. ಏನಾದರೂ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ಉಳಿದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, reducing the uncalled paid up capital of a company. If the shares of a company are reducing the uncalled paid up capital of a company, if the share of a company are partly paid up, if the uncalled capital on such shares is written off, it reduces the liability of the shareholders of the company, liability of the shareholders of the company. And the last one, returning the excess paid up capital of the company. Last point, returning the excess capital of the company. In this case, if the company finds that its present paid up capital is actually in excess of its recruitment for a certain reasons, it may be decided to reduce the such excess capital by returning the same to its shareholders. In this case, also the right of the creditors are affected as already stated in item to the extent of the amount was refunded. Therefore, it is the coincidence of the creditor should be obtained before making the any return of capital. In this case, the paid up capital of the company as well as the face value of each shares are to be reduced. Each shares are to be reduced. First one, writing off of the paid up capital of the company, reducing the uncalled paid up capital of the company, and then returning the excess paid up capital of the company. Next, accounting treatment for internal reconstruction or capital reduction of a company. First one, for reducing the share capital with the amount reduced. Journal entry, share capital account debited to capital reduction account when the same share are continuing without in the face value. Journal entry. And then second journal entries, if the old shares are cancelled and the new shares are issued. Old shares na cancel agi new shares na bandu antandra share capital account debited to share capital account new to capital reduction account. When the creditor, next entry, when the creditors and the debenture holders sacrifice the part of their claim. Creditors account debited, debenture account debited to capital reduction. Next, fourth entry, if the value of any assets is appreciated, respective asset account debited to capital reduction account. And then for utilization of a capital reduction amount, that is capital reduction account debited to profit and loss account, to goodwill account, to preliminary expenses account, to discount on issue of shares account, next discount on issue of debentures account, to building account, to machinery, to patents, to stock. If depreciation is given, aವಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇವನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. If not, it is not taken for consideration. Last one, difference amount we have to transfer the capital reserve account. I hope you will understand the journal entries regarding the capital reduction account. Next class we will discuss about the how to calculate the capital reduction amount. Thank you. Have a nice day.